Thursday morning, a mild morning outside. Yesterday, a top 10 weather day. Gosh, gorgeous day to be outside. Seemed like all of my neighbors, everybody was out and about just trying to take advantage of it. Of course, we did have several reports of field fires. We may see that threat elevated once again this afternoon. So not a great day to be burning brush or burning leaves. A live view from Mount Vernon this morning. Looking back towards the south, we've got clear skies overhead still across much of the area. Mount Vernon, one of the coolest spots though in the area. Right now back into the upper 30s, 39 degrees being reported there with calm winds. Elsewhere, we've got quite a few readings in the 40s and a few spots even into the 50s this morning. We do anticipate a few more clouds around today, but still seeing some sunshine today. And honestly, it's still going to be a very warm afternoon. Very similar to yesterday afternoon. We're talking temperatures back in the 70s, but then tonight, rain begins to make its way in, especially after midnight into early Friday morning. And the rain will actually come in several waves through the day on Friday. Most of it is going to be on the light side, around the showers first thing in the morning. And there's some questions on how much sunshine we're going to see by the midday hours and into the early part of the afternoon. But there is a chance we could see a few storms redevelop as the area of low pressure gets a little closer, and that means a few storms could be on the strong side as well Friday afternoon. That clears out of here Friday evening, but some lingering showers into Saturday morning, and some much cooler air begins then to make its way also back into the area on the backside of the system. 39 in Mount Vernon, 50 though in Marion this morning. Cape right now at 45, Paducah at 46, Murray, Kentucky at 47 degrees. Front to our north, we're out ahead of the system, and once again we've got a lot of warm air pumping in. Notice on the backside of the storm system though, back into places like Colorado, western Nebraska, seeing some snow flying this morning. This area of low pressure then is going to track eastward over the next few days, and you'll see the little waves of showers and occasional thunderstorms push through as well. Again, that is on Friday, so this afternoon we are dry. Here comes some of the clouds. Lunchtime temperatures running into the upper 60s and lower 70s. We'll top off this afternoon on average about 73 degrees. Once again, gorgeous afternoon to be outside. This evening staying dry, but as we get into early Friday morning, here comes some of the rain moving in from the west. Showers overspreading the area. Most of these will be on the light side, and could see a few more scattered showers towards the lunchtime hour. If we see any stronger storms, it would be during the late afternoon, the early part of the evening hours. Notice the timing here, about 4 p.m. and notice the swirl in these storms as the area of low pressure gets a little closer to us. Some of these storms could be on the strong side. We call these low-topped supercells. So some small hail, some gusty winds, and I can't entirely rule out a brief spin-up tornado. The main threat there will end by about 7 o'clock, and then the rain just kind of lingering around. But the Storm Prediction Center upgrading parts of our area, southeastern Illinois, western Kentucky, and parts of the Missouri Boot Heel in a level 2. Once again, Friday afternoon, Friday evening, elsewhere a level 1 for severe weather. The main threats here are going to be strong winds with a few of the stronger storms. But again, I can't entirely rule out a brief spin-up tornado. Rainfall amounts, flooding risk pretty low here, 1/4 to 1/2 an inch of rain this system, but the next one that makes its way in towards the early part of next week, Monday night into Tuesday, brings the heavy rain potential back into the area. So this is through early next week. That's another system to watch there. Again, heavy rain possible could lead to more flooding in the region as well as we make our way through the day on Tuesday of next week. Make sure you've got that Storm Track 3 app. Of course, if we do have any warnings, we want you to make sure that you have multiple ways to receive those. That weather comes in here on Friday. Friday looking like a pretty wet day. Some showers, some storms during the afternoon, some showers lingering around into Saturday morning. By Saturday afternoon, we see a little sunshine, but a pretty cool day. Highs only in the 50s. Sunday, we bounce back in the mid-60s, and there's our next chance for some rain. Monday night, Tuesday, heavy rain and quite a cool down into the end of next week. Highs going back in the lower 50s.
All right. Thank you, Nick.